Hello everyone! Want to learn a super easy math trick? Let's square numbers ending in 5. No calculators needed. Example 1. 25 squared. Take 25. Ignore the 5 for a second. Just look at the 2. Multiply it by the next higher number. 2 times 3 is 6. Now just write 25 at the end. Boom! 25 squared is 625. Second example, 35 squared. Take the 3, multiply it by the next number. 3 times 4 is 12. Then add 25 at the end. So 35 squared is 1,225. And here's the magic. This trick works for any number ending in 5, not just 2-digit numbers. Let's have a big number. Let's say 105 squared. Take 10, multiply it by the next number. 10 times 11 is 110. Then add 25 at the end. We'll get 11,025. So shortcut, multiply the number without the 5 by its next higher number. Then just stick 25 at the end. Works every time. Try it with 45, 95, or even 1005. Comment your answers below and tag a friend who needs this trick. Math is magic.